Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. What is the date today? Today is 9th July 2021. And what is the day today? Today is Friday. Today we are going to read an interesting story from your Chataka stories. The name of the story is The Foolish Fat Fox. Now let us read the story. There was a beautiful golden cave in the Himalayas. It was big and bright. In that cave lived the king of the jungle, a robust golden-skinned lion. So in the Himalayas there was a big, bright and golden colored cave. In that cave lived the king of the jungle, a strong lion. All animals had great regard for him, so all animals had great respect for him. He lived a comfortable life that had also made him a bit lazy. He loved his easy-going life. So he used to lead a very comfortable life, and that has made him a little lazy. One day the lion overslept. He woke up a little afternoon. He realized that he was hungry. So one day the lion slept more than usual. So when he woke up, he realized that he was hungry. He never ate stale food. He would have to go out and find some food. As he never ate stale food, so he decided to go out to find some food. He came out of his cave. The day was bright and beautiful. He yawned, stretched his legs and body to shake off laziness and looked around for a prey. So he came out of the cave and he stretched his body and legs to shake off laziness to look for a prey. What is the meaning of prey? Prey means animals hunt for food. He spotted a big bison near the lake. Taking slow and steady steps, he moved in his direction. So he saw a big bison where? Near the lake. So he took slow and steady steps and he moved in his direction. The bison saw the king of the jungle approaching him. He did not run for his life. The lion killed him and had his fill. He drank cool water from the lake and started walking towards the cave for a siesta. So when bison saw the king of the jungle approaching him, he did not run. And the king attacked the bison and had his fill. After that, he drank cool water from the lake and started walking towards the cave for a siesta. What is siesta means? Siesta means afternoon nap. A foolish fox by mistake crossed his path. He thought that the king would be furious at his stupid act and might kill him right away. So there was a fox, and he crossed his path. Whose path? Lion's path. He thought that the king would be very angry at his stupid act and he might kill him. So even before the lion could notice him, the fox fell at his feet and said, "My lord, I have come from the forest very far from here, only because I want to serve you. You are the great king of the jungle." So, what the fox did, the fox fell at his feet and said that, "My lord, I have come from very far only to serve you. You are the great king of the jungle. Well, since you have taken the trouble of coming so far, I don't mind keeping you as my attendant," said the lion. So the lion replied him and said that, "Yes, as you have come from far off, so I don't mind keeping you as my attendant." What is attendant? Attendant means one who can assist someone. "You can stay with me in my golden cave and eat whatever I kill for myself. You will have an easy life because you will not have to fend for food." So the lion replied him that, "Yes, you can stay with me and become my attendant. So you will not have any problem to find food and your life will be very easy one." The fox was delighted. He had not realized that his encounter with the lion was actually a boon in disguise. So the fox was very happy. He did not realize that his meeting with the lion was actually a blessing for him. Day after day, he kept eating the meat of the animals killed by the lion. So day after day, he kept eating the meat which was killed by the lion. He enjoyed the luxury of the golden cave. He did not have to work for anything. Gradually, he put on weight and became Mr. Fat Fox. So, as he did not have to work for anything, so he put on weight and became Mr. Fat Fox. One day the lion woke up a little late in the morning. He saw the fat fox basking in the sun. So one day when lion woke up a little late, he saw the fox basking in the sun. The fox was hungry, but he had no courage to mention that to the lion. Putting it cleverly, he said, "Good morning, my lord. What can I offer you for a meal today?" So he was hungry, but he had no courage. The fox had no courage to say that. To whom? To the lion. So he cleverly said, "Good morning. What can I offer you for a meal today?" The lion laughed as because he understood what he said. "So you are very hungry, aren't you?" So he said that, "Are you hungry?" "Well, I have an idea. Why don't you go to the top of the mountain and choose the animal you would like to eat today?" So the lion said to the fox that he has an idea. Okay, he had an idea that why don't he go to the mountain and choose the animal he would like to eat for the day. The fox liked the proposal. He quickly climbed to the top and spotted a big horse that he really wanted to eat that day. So he liked it and he quickly climbed to the top of the mountain and he spotted a big horse there. With the same speed, he returned to the cave and told the lion, "My lord, I want to eat that black horse. Please show your greatness." So he said that he wanted to eat the black horse. The lion came out of the cave. He yawned, stretched his legs and body, and spotted the horse. Taking 2 steps forward and 1 step backward, he leaped on the horse and killed him. So what he did, he came out of the cave, he stretched his body, legs, and spotted the horse. So finally he jumped on the horse and killed him. He ate to his heart's content and left the rest for the fox. So he ate the flesh of the horse to his satisfaction and left the rest for the fox. The fat fox also ate till his belly was full and bloated. This became their daily routine. The fox would spot the animal and then request the lion to show his greatness. The lion then would kill the animal, eat as much as he wanted to, and leave the rest for the fox. So this was their daily routine. The fat fox became fatter. He looked like a barrel. So the fox became fatter and he looked like a barrel. What is a barrel? Barrel is a round vessel. But when he saw his reflection in the lake, he thought he resembled the lion. So one day when he saw his own reflection in the lake, he thought that he looked like the lion. Only the mane was missing. He felt so proud of his resemblance that he actually thought he could do all that the lion did. So he felt so proud of his look that he felt that he could do all that the lion can do. As the fox came closer to the golden cave, a question arose in the mind. Why should I eat the animal killed by the lion? I can also kill. I am going to ask him to eat the animal killed by me. I am in no way smaller than him. So as the fox came closer to the golden cave, the question arose in his mind. He wanted to ask lion that why should he eat the animal killed by him? He can also kill, as because he thinks himself as strong as lion now. So he decided to ask this to the lion because he thinks he is no way smaller than the lion. The next part of the story we will read in the next week. Thank you, students. Take care.